It's story time. The Monkey and the Crocodile. Once upon a time, a monkey lived in a mango tree beside a lake. He used to throw mangoes into the lake, and a crocodile would eat them. As the days went by, the crocodile and the monkey became good friends. They often chatted as they ate mangoes. The crocodile also took some mangoes home under the water for his wife. One day, the crocodile told the monkey that his wife was very pleased with the mangoes, and she had asked the crocodile to bring his friend to her. "Please, friend, grant my wish. Come to our house with me. She must see you. She is very grateful to you," the monkey said. "But how can I go into water? I cannot swim." The crocodile told him that he would simply sit on his back and hold on to him. "Trust me, you will not drown," said the crocodile. So, that day, the monkey sat on the back of the crocodile. During this ride, the crocodile, who was very simple, told the monkey that his wife wanted to eat the heart of the monkey. The monkey was scared to hear that, but he didn't express his fear. He cleverly replied to the crocodile, "I am sorry, friend. I have left my heart home on the tree. Take me back and I will fetch it for your wife." The foolish crocodile swam back. As soon as he reached the shore, the monkey jumped off his back and climbed up to the tree. "Goodbye, friend," he said from above. "Your wife will never taste a monkey's heart." Moral lesson: presence of mind often saves us. If you like us, please subscribe.